Welcome back, guys. Kemmins here, Pilot 509. Back in early May, I flew the plane 7 Foxtrot Delta to Newcastle, Pennsylvania to visit some friends and spend some time up there. Newcastle, Pennsylvania is a town situated in the northwest of Pennsylvania with a great Amish community. First, here in Tennessee, I fueled up the plane and departed northeast, heading to Newcastle, Pennsylvania. So hope you guys enjoy this short video. And as you can see here, I turn left to head northeast for Pennsylvania. And on for flight, that's how it looks. For this trip, I did 2 legs. It was a 3-hour long trip. And I do not like to fly for more than 2 hours. So I cut it in 2, stop after an hour and a half to fuel up, to top off, and get back up and fly all the way to Pennsylvania. The plan was to fly all the way up to 7,500, get flight following all the way to Newcastle, Pennsylvania.
Kimball approach, Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, calling with a request.
Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, Campbell approach, well, altimeter 29905,
2995,
Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, squawk 5620, maintain vehicle.
5620 for 7 Foxtrot Delta.
Mooney 7 Foxtrot Delta, radar contact 5 miles to the northeast, outlaw field altitude indicates 4,200.
Affirmative, 4,300 right now for 7 Foxtrot Delta. Alright, so we have Fort Campbell have eyes on us right now. So that's what we call flight following. En route to Pennsylvania. I'm gonna climb out all the way down, all the way up to 7,500. That's where the Mooney shines. So as of right now, the wind is calm, not bumpy at all. It's awesome. It's just awesome. Well, Lexington right now it's deviating me because of airline traffic landing into Lexington. So they deviate me quite a bit right now. But here's the good thing. Every time I fly, I end up doing some VFR over top. Where I'm at right now, you can see the clouds. And I tell you, it is beautiful. One thing for sure is that God is good. When you look at these the clouds out here, it's unbelievable. It is unbelievable. you like, wow, what a beautiful scene. But I wanted to share this with you guys. Share,
November 44 Zulu, do you want to maintain 6,000 altitude for directional flight?
this beautiful sightseeing of flying over cloud. The last time I flew to New York, it was the same thing. And today going to Pennsylvania, and again, it is right over top. And I'm in Kentucky right now, right over Lexington. And it's a beautiful sight, I tell you. Very beautiful sight. But the good thing is, as soon as I get to my destination, the ceiling is cleared up, so I should not have any problem whatsoever. So we'll look for that. Alright everyone, that's how you make a nice landing. So Fleming Airport. Gonna fuel up. I don't think I need a lot of fuel. And my light never comes on. That's weird. Fleming Airport, Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, taxiing via Charlie to the NBM, Fleming. It seems like it's a nice little airport. I see that the fuel price was very, very reasonable. So that's why I landed here, with the hope that I can get some fuel, so we'll see. It's a very...
Fleming Mason traffic, Class Star 190 Hotel Lima, 3 miles. Due north at 2300, we'll be entering a downwind for runway 07, Fleming Mason.
So hopefully their fuel is not too expensive. I have 1 more hour left of flight. So this is where I'm gonna fuel up, guys. Nice slow, what, hour and a half flight? Almost 2 hours now. I had a headwind, really bad one. So we're gonna fuel up and head up to Pennsylvania. So hey guys, I wanted to get on here and share with you guys this experience. Usually when I fly with this low pulse oximeter. Literally tell you your oxygen level. And the first time I put it, I was shocked because I was feeling a little bit lightheaded. And when I checked it, my oxygen level on the first time was 86. I was shocked. And after some breathing exercise, it went up to 90, 92. Now it's 93. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 93. Oh, we're 96 right now, 97. I guess because I'm talking, it's going up. But it's a good thing to do. Always have this little thing with you and check it from time to time. And I checked it and it was 86. And I was shocked. And doing some breathing exercise, I was able to bring it all the way up to 92, and now it's 97, 98. Wow, that's good. I think I need to talk more while I'm flying. But whenever you're flying, and that's one thing that causes people to, you know, get into an accident.
Victor Papa 12.5 for 230. Good morning.
November 831 Victor Papa.
Because they become lightheaded, and then they don't, you know, they don't think about it, and then the oxygen drop, and then before you know it, you have carbon monoxide and all this stuff, and lightheaded, and you don't feel good, you feel dizzy and all that. And also what I have in this plane with me, it's a carbon monoxide meter. And whenever I'm flying, I fly with this so that I can know exactly, you know, if I have any CO2 level going up in the plane right now. So right now it says 0,
That's fine with us.
and that's what you want.
We know it's pretty busy down there from the Kentucky Derby.
All right. So I wanted to share with you guys what's going on when I fly and what I do. This is what's going on right now. So we have just under an hour flight to get to Pennsylvania. So I'll see you in a little bit.
I'm 3-1 over.